The Asian cucumber relish is a tangy and addictive side to many dishes. It is a good pairing to satay. The ingredients used include 1 diced cucumber, quarter cup rice wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons brown or white sugar, 3 tablespoons crushed toasted peanuts, and optional is half to 1 small red chili diced. We heat the quarter cup water in a small pan over medium heat. We add the vinegar and the sugar to the water. We bring it to boil and let it bubble for about 5 minutes. Then we turn off the heat, we add the cucumber and we stir it well to coat. Then we toss the crushed toasted peanuts in and we mix it well. We then transfer the dish to a bowl, cover the bowl and refrigerate it till it's ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed this side and thank you so much for watching.